Hello everyone, this is Nicole from Altenew. In this video, Tasneem and I will walk you through how to apply medium-sized decals that you can purchase at Altenew.com. Once you place an order, it's going to be rolled up and come in a package, which is a tube. Once you get it, take them out from the packaging, lay them flat on your surface so that you can start prepping the images. You're going to determine which phrases and sentiments or images go together. Usually, you want to cut one phrase as a one piece, allowing you to apply them easily later on. Rest of them, you can cut them individually, and it'll give you a flexibility to place each shape or designs to the area and in a way that you wish to place them onto the surface. In this video, we are working with Creativity Decal Set, which is a medium-sized decal set. Once it is all done, you're going to start prepping the wall. So when placing these onto the wall, you want to make sure the surface is clean and free of residue or dust. So make sure to wipe your wall clean with towel or tissue and let it completely dry. And after that, you can start placing the sentiments and images and have an arrangement that you are satisfied with. So we are using some painter's tape to make sure they stay in place, but you can also remove them later on. Once you're happy with the placement, we're going to start applying one images or sentiments by one. And when you're working with phrases like this with tiny and thin fonts and styles, you're going to work them in sections. So notice that Tasneem lift up the backing sheet of just one portion of this whole cutout phrase. And after that, she applies a decal onto the wall, rub it with applicator to make sure they are flat. Now you're going to peel off the middle section and you're going to apply that portion first instead of pulling it all the way out. Using the applicator, make sure they are applied straight and firmly onto the surface that you're working on. Once that is done, run it over the whole area with applicator, make sure they are firmly adhered, and start peeling off the transparent sheet, which is a top sheet. When lifting off the transparent sheet, instead of pulling it directly upwards or vertically, you're going to drag the sheet towards the side and drag it towards the horizontal way, if that makes sense. And this is a great way to see it and how Tasneem is doing it. This way, it ensures that the decals stay in place, and even if they may not have been adhered firmly, it doesn't completely pull off the decal. So it'll give you a flexibility to be able to attach them later on. So now you can work on the rest of your decals and finish your arrangements. So as you work with those shapes, peel off the backing sheet first, apply the decal, and peel off the transparent sheet. And that's how you apply the medium-sized decals onto the surface. We hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@altenew.com and we'd be happy to answer any questions. Thank you so much for watching.